Yes, so it's my hot chocolate on a stick, which...
Wait, I just love that. Hot chocolate
on a stick. So I've been doing this for a while, and I do it very kid-friendly, but today I put booze in it for you girls.
Yay!
So I'm going to show you guys how to do homemade marshmallows, which people kind of think it's very hard. It's not hard.
No,
it's just
really
kind of messy
simple.
a little bit. But I'm going to show you some tricks to make it less messy. And then I'm going to show you guys...
Can I be useful in any way?
We're going to go down this way.
Okay.
So we're going to start with the marshmallows. So I've got gelatin here and some water, which is already kind of bloomed and nice. 3 packets of that. And you want to beat this for 12 minutes.
Okay.
So you've got your salt. This has been beating for about 12 minutes. You want to add your vanilla at the very end, just for a little bit. I also use vanilla bean paste, which I use over there. I really like this as well. So we stop that. Now, marshmallows are super, super, super sticky. So it can be a little daunting. So you take this out. I'm not going to do it right now because I would literally...
I can do it. I can do it.
You're going to do it?
Yeah.
But here's a little trick.
I'm a filthy girl.
I love it. Here's a trick. If you oil your fingers and you oil your spatula...
Tell me now. Thanks a lot, Tiffany.
And you oil your spatula, you can do the same thing where it's not going to stick, right?
All right.
So
I'm slicked up.
So I told you not to do it right now. So you're going to put this whole entire thing...
I like playing with my
No, I do
food.
too. I do too. I do too. Believe me, I do. You also want to make sure to put plastic wrap down so it's easy to take out. So after that mess is done,
right?
Right? I love you. You're so cute.
I know, but it's fun. It really is.
It's gonna look like this, right? So then you're gonna dredge it. You're gonna take your powdered sugar, right?
Right.
And you wanna make sure you coat it on all sides, because it is kind of sticky, right? And then I really like the circle aspect. I have all these in different sizes, the circle cutters.
Yeah, they're
just
nested.
kind of fun, and they make it a lot easier to put into your hot chocolate, you know?
So cute.
So you're gonna cut all these out, basically, just like this. And then you make sure you kind of do the sides as well, right?
So you dust them with a little powdered sugar.
And then we're gonna go and make fudge. And then we'll come back down here.
Part.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we've got my...
chips?
Well, first we have... Hold on.
All right.
Hold on.
All right.
So we have our condensed milk, our heavy cream. We have our chips and our chocolate bar.
And this guy?
Yep. Thank you, my dear.
Sure.
And we're gonna bring that to a boil. And
melt it all?
Yeah, it melted all together, right?
Is that dark?
It is.
And then these are semi or milk? Semi?
They're semi.
Oh, good. I like semi.
And this will take, about, I don't know, 8 minutes or so. I always know, I don't know if you do the same thing, I always know my fudge is done when the bubbles go from large to small.
Yeah, when they get teeny tiny, right.
Exactly.
Kind of the
So
opposite
that's a little
of a pancake,
trick, too.
Right.
So it's going to look like this. That's your fudge,
together.
right? And then we're going to do sort of the same thing. We're going to take one of these, and I line it with parchment paper.
Okie doke.
So then we pour it in here. Oh, sorry, I have to add my spices.
Okay.
I did a little extra for you guys. So I actually like a little ground ginger. I also like nutmeg, and then I do my vanilla bean paste.
Add them to this guy?
Absolutely. And then the good stuff for you, girls.
Myers!
So you mix that all together, make sure it's done. Then we pour it in here, right? And you let it set overnight. And when you have it, you just pop it out like this.
That's a lot of rum.
Yeah, it smells
Woo! That's gonna clean your sinuses right out.
It looks like this. Okay? And then you're gonna take your cutter again, which I'll go down.
Here, I'll just bring it down that way.
Yeah, perfect. Rachel, you're so smart. Yep. You're gonna cut it out, right? Same sort of thing, just like that. Super, super easy. And then you just take your sticks.
You stack them together.
And you stack them together. Really, really easy.
And then you pop them into the mug.
You pop them into the hot milk.
And then you
stir.
add it to the hot milk.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Lovely, darling.